In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate SSL in Hostinger. This is a crucial step to ensure your website maintains a secure connection, enhancing both the credibility and safety of your online presence. Let's dive right into the process with ease and clarity. First off, it's important to know that if you're using a web or cloud hosting plan with Hostinger, you're in luck. Hostinger provides a free lifetime SSL certificate for domains or subdomains attached to their plans. The good news here is that once you have your domain set up and pointed correctly to your hosting account, the process is designed to be straightforward and swift. Before we begin, let's discuss what SSL actually is and why it's essential. SSL, which stands for Secure Sockets Layer, is a standard security protocol establishing encrypted links between a web server and a browser. This ensures all data passed between the web server and browsers remains secure and private. It's not just about safety either. Having an SSL certificate is a ranking factor for search engines like Google, meaning it can help boost your website's visibility. On top of that, visitors get the reassurance of seeing that little padlock icon in the address bar indicating a safe connection. Now, assuming you've already settled your domain and hosting setup with Hostinger, activating SSL should largely take care of itself. After you've added your domain or subdomain and made sure it's pointed correctly to your hosting, Hostinger will typically handle the SSL installation automatically. This usually occurs within a few minutes, though the exact timing can vary slightly. Everything should generally be seamless, yet it's prudent to double-check that your domain is properly directed to your hosting to avoid any disruptions in the SSL activation process. If all is set correctly, you might even receive a notification confirming the successful installation of your SSL certificate. As you wrap up this process, there aren't many manual steps involved, but it's always good to verify that SSL is functioning well on your website. You can do this by simply visiting your site and ensuring the padlock icon displays in the address bar, confirming a secure connection. Should you encounter any issues, checking Hostinger's support resources or contacting their customer service can offer guidance and assistance. And there you have it. Activating SSL on Hostinger is an easy, seamless experience, ensuring your website is both secure and trusted. Remember, the presence of SSL not only secures data, but also can enhance your standing in the digital space. Thank you for tuning in today, and enjoy navigating your now more secure website.